So I'm Guy Hélin, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Syngulon. We are a synthetic biology company based in Belgium, and we are developing technologies based on the use of bacteriocins. So as I mentioned, we are developing technologies, and one of the technologies that we are developing is in order to avoid microbial contamination. So we had a big R&D project financed by the Walloon region of Belgium on that, and for us it was very important to find a partner that has existing plants with potential microbial contamination that was able to produce, to give us samples to analyze, to find what are those contaminants, and then to design the right cocktail of bacteriocins on which we have IP in order to fight those contaminants. That's really the basics of our R&D partnership. So the second part is very difficult. It's difficult to answer to that part, but of course, obviously we are expecting very important cost savings because, as Tereos will explain, there are huge consequences when you have microbial contamination in the reduction of yield. So we'll have, with all technology, once it is implemented, less loss due to microbial contamination. That means a better yield. But I think in this industry, if you have a yield increase, even if it's only a few percentage, you're very happy because volumes are huge. So I think the short answer is Europe is very simple, it's a zero. In the US and in Brazil it's different. There are some genetically modified yeasts that have been introduced in the previous year. I'm not sure I could call all of them synthetic biology yeast. They are genetically engineered, but maybe not yet synthetic biology. That will be the next step. Yeah, because we were looking for a partner that has more than just a few plants operating. So it was very important for us to choose a large partner, and with Sterols it was exactly what they were able to offer us.
So my name is Tony Pouply. I work for Tereos company in the new product and process development team. I'm an agronomic engineer working mainly in fermentation steps for alcohol production, and I work for all the business unit for Tereos and different raw materials. Yes, microbial contamination is one of the huge problems we can encounter in fermentation. Main losses come from contaminants, and especially bacteria or wild yeast, and we are speaking about hundreds of euro losses per year. So that's one of the main problems we can encounter in fermentation. How we can fight against such problem? We have different ways, and that's why we have a collaboration with Syngulon, because they provide us two ways of solutions. Syngulon gives us two things. As I mentioned, Syngulon allows them to understand a bit better the population, contaminants population in our tanks, so via metagenomic analysis, and also they give us a solution for a close future to fight against specific contaminants. And thanks to this, we can keep the yeast alive and kill the contaminants.